Marantz has a long-standing reputation for combining exceptional craftsmanship with cutting-edge audio technology. Today, we're showcasing their two new wireless speakers, the Horizon and the Grand Horizon. The Horizon delivers premium sound and an elegant design in a compact form, while the Grand Horizon offers more power and scale for larger spaces. We've already unboxed the Grand Horizon, so let's unpack the Horizon now. As you can see, the Grand Horizon's outer carton is much bigger than the Horizon. The luxury experience really starts with the presentation box, finished in the Marantz signature teal and gold with embossed Marantz logos. For additional protection, the speaker comes encased in a made-to-measure high-quality padded bag, making removal from the box safe and easy. Marantz haven't cut any corners with their accessories either. Even the power cable is braided, and the cover plate is very satisfyingly magnetic and snaps into place with ease. The Midnight Sky and Moonray finishes we have here look absolutely stunning. The Horizon and the Grand Horizon are designed with a focus on functionality, durability and seamless integration. Each speaker is wrapped in Marantz Radiance 360-degree Eco Fiber, a seamless fabric grille made from recycled ocean plastics. This material is designed for acoustic transparency and durability, ensuring the fabric does not interfere with sound quality. At the base of each speaker is a carefully chosen natural marble stand, which not only provides stability, it also enhances the speaker's overall design. The bases are colour matched to the finishes, with Midnight Sky paired with black marble, Moonray with white marble, and Marantz Champagne with beige marble. The use of the high-grade marble adds a tactile, luxurious quality to the design, making speakers as visually striking as they are functional. The speaker's circular silhouette integrates classic Marantz design elements with modern details. Features like the illuminated control ring provide both aesthetic appeal and functional value, guiding the user with intuitive touch controls. While the aesthetic design is striking, the audio performance is equally as impressive. Each speaker features a carefully designed driver array, optimised for a wide sound dispersion and a balanced soundstage. At the core of the speakers are the Marantz Gravity drivers, powered by neodymium magnets known for their strength and compact size. Neodymium ensures the drivers deliver precise, distortion-free sound efficiently, even at higher volumes. This strength to size ratio also contributes to the sleek and unobtrusive design of the speakers. Horizon, a 3.1 channel configuration with a 6.5-inch subwoofer, 3 2-inch full range drivers and 2 1-inch silk dome tweeters. Grand Horizon, an 8-inch subwoofer, 4 3-inch full range drivers and 3 1-inch tweeters. The outward-facing design enhances off-axis performance, ensuring consistent, high-quality sound throughout the room regardless of the listener's position. The Marantz Rise amplifier uses GaN-FET technology, enabling for lower distortion, faster signal response, and higher thermal efficiency. By combining neodymium-powered drivers with GaN-FET amplification, the Horizon and Grand Horizon achieve a balance of power, clarity and efficiency. Not everyone listens to music the same way, and Marantz has taken that into account. Both models feature Marantz Mirage DSP. This allows you to customize your sound profile to suit your mood or the type of music you're playing. Want more warmth, more clarity, more spaciousness? It's all there. And if you prefer a true to the source experience, you can switch to Sound Master mode, tuned by Marantz's own sound master, Yoshinori Ogata. It's as close as you'll get to hearing the music exactly as the artist intended. Now, let's talk about how these speakers fit into your setup. Both the Horizon and Grand Horizon are built with versatility in mind. They feature the HEOS platform, giving you access to streaming services like Spotify, Tidal and Amazon Music. They also support Apple AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth, making them easy to connect to your favourite devices. For physical connections, you've got RCA, optical, USB-C and HDMI eARC inputs. Both models also decode Dolby Atmos, so you can enjoy cinematic 3-dimensional audio directly through these speakers. The Horizon and Grand Horizon are designed to adapt to a variety of setups and preferences. For those seeking a wider stereo experience than a single unit can create, the speakers can be paired to form a 2-speaker stereo setup. This pairing works wirelessly, or if you're using the HDMI ARC input for TV sound, you'll need to connect the 2 speakers with CAT cable to avoid any lip sync issues. In terms of placement, both models can be wall mounted with an optional bracket. Additionally, the Horizon offers an optional tripod stand crafted from American walnut and cast iron for an elegant floor standing configuration. To really understand what sets the Marantz Horizon and Grand Horizon apart, you need to experience them in person. We're inviting UK dealers to visit AWE for a hands-on demonstration. While you're here, don't miss the chance to explore our home cinema demos and see these speakers in action in a real-world setup. Contact AWE today to arrange a visit and discover what makes the Marantz Horizon a standout in wireless audio.